And now, Hy-Vee's Get Cooking with Chef Andrew.
I'm Chef Andrew with Hy-Vee, and one of my favorite things in the morning are fresh baked cinnamon rolls. So today's recipe is going to take a few things that are already done so you can have some homemade cinnamon rolls at home a little bit quicker. So we're going to start off with some puff pastry dough. You can find this in the freezer. There's 2 sheets in a box, and we're just going to thaw those out. And then we're going to brush some butter on there. You want to brush pretty liberally to cover the whole puff dough. That looks about right there. And then we're going to top that with some brown sugar that I've just mixed in with some cinnamon as well. So if you really are a big fan of cinnamon, you know, the more the merrier. It's totally up to you on how much you'd like to put. So I like to do, we've got about a half a cup of brown sugar here to a teaspoon of cinnamon, so quite a bit. And you can even sprinkle a little bit more on there as well. So we're going to take our dough, and the part that's closest to you here, just roll that up, fold it over, and then roll the whole length of the puff pastry. And then we're just going to brush that as well with a little bit of butter. And then cut that into 6 equal portions. So just take a knife, find the middle part, cut that in half, and then cut the halves into thirds. So you have 6 pieces. So we're going to bake these in a muffin tin. Again, just brush with a little bit of butter. And we're going to use the muffin tin because that's going to help keep the cinnamon roll conform to its one little piece there. Place those in there, like so. And then we'll bake it at 375 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. We topped our cinnamon rolls with a maple glaze, and they're great served warm right out of the oven. For this recipe and more, visit Hy-Vee.com.